Hello everyone, welcome back to Carbonwurks. We just wanted to quickly take this opportunity to show you around Rob's X4. So Rob is a long-standing customer of ours. He's changed out of an M4 to this. What he wanted to do is beef up the exterior of it a little bit. So it's got the factory carbon, which has a few pieces, but what we've actually done for him is fitted a full Maxton Designs kit. So this is from their Street Plus range. Features the front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser and a spoiler lip extension at the rear. So I believe this is a V2 kit. So as you can see, you've got the front diffuser here, which has got, front splitter should I say, which has got the accent in the middle, and then also the M Performance style flick up at the end, either side. So that's that, in gloss black as you can tell, which nicely complements the gloss black detailing originally from BMW. Moving along the car, you've then also got the side skirts. Again, gloss black finish with a similar M Performance style flick up, so just adding a bit more width, a bit more dimension to the car, which is nice. What I'll do now is quickly flip the car around so I can go through the back end with you. Okay, so at the back end now of the car, quick note, apologies for the dirtiness of it. This car's come back since we fitted the whole kit for a replacement front splitter, which we've done today. We didn't have time last time for the video, so we have done that today. So as said, the kit features on this car, you've got this here, which is the rear diffuser extension. So it goes all the way around to the front of the arch, again with the M Performance style flick up. So just a nod to what is available, but this is obviously aftermarket. And then lastly up here, you've got the second or the primary spoiler lip extension. So again, just a nice little accent to add a bit more dimension to the car. This one is also available from Maxton, so a lower level spoiler extension. This one's obviously genuine BMW carbon, but yeah, for this particular model there's actually quite a lot of options. So yeah, that's it, that's Maxton. Obviously big part of it is how we fit it, so we've done this full installation for Rob. Lots of various different models, manufacturers available. So if you've got any queries, drop us an email, check out our website for what we already list from Maxton. If you can't see your car, drop us an email. There's a quite high chance that they do something for it. We just haven't done it yet, which is why it won't be on our website. But other than that, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, subscribe. So after all that, I got to the end of the video and realised the X4 I was talking about is actually an X6. So all the times I mentioned X4 in the video, I was wrong.